Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, our featured ingredient is apples, and we'll be making apple butter with apple pancake tempura and apple and duck consommé with duck and apple dumplings. Joining me on the show today is Dr. Jennifer Janco, a pediatrician at St. Luke's University Health Network, and Chef Patrick Feury from Danloo and Nectar. Chef, I'm looking forward to seeing what you're going to make with these delicious, juicy apples for our kids and adults. So where should we start? Which one?
I think we're going to start out because we're going to do a little consommé. So what we got here is, there's two purposes in here with when you get a whole duck, a roasted duck. You can get these down in Chinatown.
Okay. And if you're a little intimidated by eating duck or cooking with duck, can you use a roasted chicken for this
Absolutely,
recipe?
sure. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And that's available at any grocery store.
Yeah,
they sell them already pre-roasted.
Right.
Exactly. Easy.
Yeah. Yep. So we're gonna actually just take the bones off of this, and we're just gonna make a little soup in there. Also, there's 5 spice as well, and which is the cinnamon, star anise. We got chilies. We got white pepper.
And can you use dried spices if you don't have
Sure, you can use the 5 spices just like this as well. Also, in soups, I like a little bit of orange zest.
Just taking an orange and kind of grating it away.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yep, exactly.
About a tablespoon?
Yep. A little bit of Asian wine, so it's a rice wine.
That's right, and you can get that in any in the grocery store.
A little bit of mushroom soy, and then actually a little bit of ginger. So they're going in and not being sautéed, so it's a really fresh flavor of just this stock. What you want to do is just take the dumpling.
And these dumpling shells, where can you find these?
Oh, these usually in a Asian market store. They have them sometimes in the frozen section.
Okay.
And I've seen them in refrigerated sections of the grocery store as well. So
we have a dumpling wrapper. So we're just gonna take the duck and some scallions.
And the water helps it stick together?
Yeah, the water.
and then you can pinch the sides. And again, that's something that you can involve the kids in,
That
can't
would
you?
be so fun.
And you can fill these with anything. Here
What
we
are
go.
some health benefits of apples?
It aids in a lot of digestive types of things, and so having that balance of having fruits and vegetables in your diet. So lots of kids, if they're really too rigid and don't have enough variety, can end up with some digestive issues.
So you're
Good to go.
just
Just
boiling.
the dumplings in them. We got the sauce here. Yeah, we're just boiling this off. I just want to cook the skin because the inside is already cooked and ready to go.
Okay.
So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a pancake.
So what did you add in there, Chef?
This, we just had egg, baking powder, flour. We're going to add a little bit of melted butter and just a little bit of milk, and we're ready to go. A little bit of nutty brown butter. Milk.
And milk.
So those dumplings are almost finished. You know what? I'm so surprised at how easy that was.
I
They
was
look
expecting
so
it to
much
be
more complex.
When you hear the description of sort of some fancy words and the title of what we're making, it can be a little bit intimidating. But seeing this is something I think I could go home and do.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
So we're going to just take these. And this is just a fun thing for kids.
It's like a little mini apple pie. Do you find a
Super
lot of
fun.
your patients have varied palates, or do you?
I think it's varied. I think a lot of it is what they're introduced to.
So it's really what we feed them is what they
You can
end up.
shape that, and that's what I think parents really should know.
Right. So if you're giving them chicken nuggets, macaroni and cheese all the time,
Yeah.
that's what you're shaping them
Right,
to
that's
eat.
all
So
they wanna eat.
That's such great advice, really. And like we've always said, a little bit of butter is good
Yeah.
for calcium.
Little bit of so everything in moderation.
So I think we should start with the apple fritters. And I think we can just use our hands.
Sure.
Let's do it.
That's how kids would do it. Really good. It still
So
has some
good.
of that crunchiness to it, which is nice.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we'll chop this one up.
So
as
good.
Chef tested and pediatrician approved.
And I'd like to try these dumplings.
Me too. Shall we
Let's
dig
dig
in? Alrighty.
This is one of
That
the
is
best.
delicious.
One of the best soups I've ever tasted.
It's really, really good.
Absolutely
and I cannot
delicious.
believe how easy that was.